Them. Another one. Go out. Wait, don't catch it. So today, breeding preparation na to sila for upcoming summer race. Mga cock na separate siya sa hen. Breeds always available. Linisan natin to. Dali na. Water lang kayo. Kaninong morning, Vitamin Pro. So ngayong afternoon, water na sila. Yung tubig. I mean, egg booster pala. Correction. Water. Hindi nayuko talaga yung mga cock para hindi nila naririnig yung mga hens. Tapos paparonta na din tayo ng mga inakain na hindi naman na nawawala. So pwede na siyang parontahin. Pero bago siya parontahin, isa pang important steps akong ginagawa. Important steps na to, kailangan ko na Goy! Let's go now!
Yes!
Papahagis na ng kalapate.
I don't got you. I got you. You don't know what hagis means.
Okay, you guys will name my pigeons, okay?
Mine is still named Dasher. Dasher.
Dasher still, right? Yours?
I like Dasher.
Kailangan ko sila para mag-name ng aking pigeons. Doon na sa kabilang bahay ko na yung mga kalapate tas si parondahin lang. Po. Mabilis lang kami.
What does old mean in Tagalog?
Old?
Yeah.
It is matanda. What's your pigeon's name?
Violet.
Violet still, but she's color white. She's like Oreo.
I'm
He or
Lila.
she. Lila sa'yo, Myong. We need the name of the pigeons.
My pigeon's name is Duna.
Okay. Kaya tapos yung nag-egg booster kanina. So ngayon, water naman sila. So ito yung mga flyer ko. Ito pinaka-checkered. Oh! Ang tawag nila is si Chuchay. Wala yung ate nila eh. So, pero kasama talaga yun normally. Ito si Chuchay. Itong sumunod na checkered, ang pangalawang babae doon, ang pinangalan niya dito is si Dasher. Nakalimutan ko yung dalawa. Ito si Zuna. Tapos itong isa, hindi ko pa alam yung name. Hold on! Zuna. Nakalimutan ko yung sinabi kanina ng isang pamangking ko. Tanong ulit natin mamaya kung anong pangalan niya. Wait! So, tataas na natin sila dun na sa malapit na bahay since mga bata pa sila. Pero yung isa may guide na yon, medyo magaling na yon, si Chuchay. Amya, what's the name of your pigeon again? Your new pigeon. What's the name of your new pigeon?
Mama.
No, not Mama.
Lily.
Lily? Ah, Lilia. Goy, what's the name of Amya's pigeon again? Lilia or Lily?
Lala. Lilia. Like in the playground.
Why not? So we're gonna throw them somewhere here. Make sure there's no wires above, okay? So that they won't hurt themselves. Oh, we can do it here.
My name is Sia.
Okay? No, yours is Zuna, right?
Yes.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Guy, you'll be the one to open.
How am I going to
Just, all you have to do is press this one, then it's gonna open, okay? Go ahead. Okay, now you push it here. No, I mean, you do this. Okay, go. Release them. Release them. Another one. Go out. Wait, don't catch it.
Okay. Better.
There, look at them. They are flying.
No, wait. Here. Can you give me that? Look. So can I get that? Here's your little one because you're a baby. And look. Here's your other baby. Hey, they're here. They're there. Let's catch them. Let me hold.
Oh no, they lost a lot of feathers.
This is the worst!
Next time, don't catch them, okay? Okay, right, go.
No, I'm not going to ride.
Why?
Do I hold this?
No, don't hold it.
It's heavy.
Yes, the wind is kind of strong today. Hopefully we didn't lose any pigeons.
Yeah, I hope so.
There's a possibility we might lose some, but I am confident we didn't because they were flying in groups.
One.
1, 2, 3. We're still missing one. Where's the other one? Oh no. Oh, there's 3 of them. Mamaya na, masakit. Mamaya pa kayo papasok. Dahil dalawang ikot lang, papasok pa kayo. Iskan, malayo-layo na lipad nyo. Pinutulan ko to ng buntot kasi nga nagmisnis ng todo para mapalitan niya din.